gonna talk about fishing mango. No, fish mango. The Bogota and Ananda were begging in the city. They passed fish mango. The Bogota said, Ananda, catch the fish man, the fish, catch the dog, from, catch the dog where the fish are hanging. Ananda did this and said, it smells awful. The Buddha said, this is the same making friends. If you make with bad, you will become bad. If you make with bad friends, you will become bad. This is like the smell from the dog in the fish mango. Next, they passed the pies shop. The Buddha said, Ananda, touch the pies touch the pies wrapper and smell your finger. Ananda did this. My finger smells very nice. The Buddha said, we eat the same making friends. If you make a good friends, you will become a good. This is like the smell you get from the pies wrapper. If you make with bad, good and honest person, you become a good person. If you make with bad and lazy person, you will become a bad person. Making good friends.